What sports team are you watching?
Leaf.
Oh, look at them.
Woo!
Oh, they are athletic. What a great team.
Yep.
Go
Playing
Leaf.
against the sun.
Oh, boo.
Next game is going to be against water. It's going to be a tough one.
Oh, man, that sounds like a whole tournament.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, I missed it. Dang it, I missed it. Dang it. Well, how long you been sitting here? How many decades?
Oh, games are about 11 years.
11 years.
6.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Is there a groundskeeper that comes out and clears the bleachers, or is this just how?
No, that's the pollinators.
Oh,
They're coming around. They're doing their sweep in a few minutes here.
Okay, cool. Well, go team.
Woo!
Woo!
Identify it really quick.
Rowan is about to identify this snake.
It's not a copperhead because it doesn't have the kiss shape along its sides.
Yeah.
It's living by water, which tells me it's probably a water snake.
It looks similar to water snakes in Florida. Slightly different.
That's a good spot, buddy. Common water snake.
Common water snake? Cool.
I'm gonna pick him up because he can still bite.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I see how it is. Aw, that's a good spot.
Yeah, good little home there. Sweet. It's quite a nature trek we're on here.
Yeah, it is.
This is cool. What a beautiful area. We are in the state of Missouri, and it is springtime, and I hope we're both in frame. I have no idea.
Me neither.
No idea whatsoever. Is that a gang sign?
No, that's the frame.
Oh.
So you just need to aim your phone.
Whatever, gangster.
We're so cool.
It's almost unbelievable how cool we are. What a cool area. Speaking of cool. Speaking of cool. Oh, is it blurry now? Why is it blurry? There we go, that's better.
It needs glasses.
The video needs glasses, for sure.
It's cold.
Woo!
It's chilly.
I believe you. I'm not gonna try it. Yay!
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it.
Ready? Box turtle.
It's what now?
Three-toed box turtle.
Three-toed box turtles crossing this little road here.
Wait. Picture before he closes up.
There are sometimes dogs walking through here, so Rowan's gonna help it get across this trail and into shelter. Oh, what a pretty thing. Oh, so cute. Hi. Yes, you're inside your cute little home.
You can tell it's a box turtle because this hinge will close just like that.
Wow.
And these guys have a nice olive complexion on their shell.
Nice.
This is a very pretty one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and I can see the 3 toes right in the back there.
Oh, wow, he gets tucked in really nicely.
Yeah, they can close all the way up.
Very
it's almost
cool.
waterproof.
Nice.
You're a brave one. Can I take another just real quick one? All right, we're gonna put him in the direction he was headed.
Right, what's his name?
Pablo.
Pablo. It's been fun, Pablo. You have yourself a nice day.
These guys are foragers. They like to eat worms and dig for insects in the leaf litter.
Nice.
And over the winter, they'll burrow a few feet deep and hibernate.
Really? Cool.
He's probably not gonna come out.
Pablo, I respect your boundaries of not coming out and saying hi right now.
We love you, Pablo.
We love you, Pablo. Oh, put his head out a little.
Little head.
What a pretty shell. Does it have damage on along the top? It looks like.
Nope, that's supposed to be there.
Oh, okay.
That's another identifier you can look for.
Nice.
I think that eastern box turtles have some kind of a different texture, different color on their shell. I just can't recall right now.
But this line down the middle is normal?
Yeah.
Okay. I've never seen that before. Very cool.
Do you have box turtles?
I think so.
Let's see.
Got a bunch of different kinds, I think. Bye, Pablo.
Bye, buddy.